This video will explain the logic behind using a hierarchical structure to organise your codes. When coding in NVivo, we recommend using the catalogue system. Instead of having a long list of codes, a catalogue system enables you to quickly see your codes, identify what's missing, and clarify your ideas. It's easy to organise ideas and to add new ones, as well as avoid the duplication of codes. Your approach to coding will be guided by your research methodology, but these best practices can help you make the most out of NVivo. When organising your codes using a catalogue system, keep like codes together. Never duplicate a code. A code should be catalogued in one place. Subcodes should be a type of the top-level code. Avoid creating codes for very specific combinations of ideas. Instead, capture specific ideas by coding to a combination of codes. It's a good idea to have a separate folder for new codes in some projects, particularly if you are following the guidelines from a recognised data analysis method. Many traditional qualitative methodologies encourage cycles of coding from descriptive to interpretive to more abstract coding of themes and concepts. Organising cycles of coding into folders can help keep track of how your coding has evolved. This incorrect example is based on the sample project. In this coding structure, if I had a piece of text that represented a negative attitude about the decline of fishing industry, I would code it in one place. However, this breaks the rules of a catalogue system. First, I am not keeping like with like. An aspect of the economy, such as the fishing industry, is different from positive or negative attitudes. The correct way to structure these codes is to break them up into broader concepts. Create a top-level code for economy with subcodes for different aspects of the economy. Then, create another top-level code for growth cycles with subcodes for phases of the growth cycle. Finally, create a top-level code for attitudes and child codes for different kinds of attitudes. This means that if I had some text that represented a negative attitude about the decline of the fishing industry, I would code it to 3 different codes: the fishing industry, decline, and negative attitude. The catalogue approach gives me greater flexibility and efficiency to work with my data and makes it easy to see everything about an idea in one place. Once you have a lot of coding, NVivo can help you explore where coding overlaps or not. For example, the matrix coding query can help me explore how attitudes intersect with economic factors. The catalogue approach to organising codes may be counterintuitive at first, but you will soon learn with practice. You may find that you want to change the structure of your catalogue as you do more coding and create new codes. This is normal, and it's easy to move codes around and rename or merge them. The Managing Codes video will demonstrate how.